So this area is known for congruous and donkeys. Oh look! There's our amiga. Yeah, closer.
It's like a fucking scary movie, bro. There's books, dude. Like someone actually lives here.
No one lives here. Part of the park, dude. Boxcar.
There's your Buddha shit over here, bro.
There's a pipe with weed on there.
Yeah, that's kind of cool though. Like, you know.
Over there? TV over there?
Like it's cool that like nobody's like destroying this thing.
Oh,
You know?
wait, which one should? Yeah. That's one of these ones. Look at my lucky day. Look, firewood. You want to take it? No, huh?
Nah, no.
Oh yeah, you're allowed to. Thank you. Look, I guess like we should fill it and put it back. But I guess if you want to stay here with your friends, you can. You guys have a cabin.
It's super cool, dude.
Yeah.
Now, how cool is that? Feels like we're in fucking Burning Man right now.
You a while ago or what?
Yeah, I think we're. Oh, if you go deeper, yeah. Yeah, see?
I'll get to this.
I mean, I want to say it's one of the most interesting, coolest, amazing, mind-blowing places I've been in California. At Salt Lake. And it's just, fuck, it's overwhelming. I mean, like, it feels like we're like in snow, but it's not. It's obviously salt and it's hot in here. We're like, what, mid-September and it should be cool. No, it's actually we're like in a valley. It almost feels like Death Valley, and it is like humid hot, you know, and obviously the environment you can see. Yeah, it's the coolest thing ever. You tried it?
Salt. Yeah. I don't need to go to the store no more. I'm good. Well, salt, dude.
So what's the difference between this salt and our salt? It's just nothing. It's just processed, or
It's processed, yeah.
there is water, right?
Yeah.
What?
Am I gonna sink all the way in?
Yeah, I think so. It becomes a lake.
Yeah.
You know what it feels like right now? It feels like we're in heaven.
I want to touch that. So it's like frozen lake?
It's frozen. Yeah, with exactly.
Salt?
Yeah. So be careful.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
look,
see?
It
Yeah.
is. During COVID, these people got stuck and they winched to that thing and they tore it out of the floor.
Oh shit.
You remember that?
No.
Yeah, it was everywhere on the news.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
The actual office. There's a Toyota 100. I did it.
You can leave it to humans to fuck shit up, right?
Because when we go up through the north, we're gonna be able to hit the tropics on the way back down.
Everywhere around here is like desert, and then there's like these palm trees, and it's supposed to be some natural hot springs in there. So that's where we're gonna find out and hopefully shower. Now let me talk about something that Pablo and I talked about a little bit ago, and it's talk about, you know, like being in the comfort zone, being at home where you have everything, and then coming out and doing this right here right now. It's like incredibly uncomfortable. It's like, I think for anybody to do this has to have a sense of adventure, and I think Pablo and I have it, you know, which is great. But you know, for anybody out there, if you want to be adventurous, or if you want to do something like this, like, you have to be okay with being uncomfortable, you know? Uncomfortable tent, uncomfortable bed, uncomfortable sleeping. There's not a lot of sleeping goes on, it's just like all these winds. Those donkeys last night were just like screaming and yelling in the middle of the night, and just a lot, you know? But being uncomfortable, it's a good thing, because when we go back home, we're gonna appreciate our home, and that's very important, you know? So yeah, that's the name of the game.
Feel good? Yeah, I need it.
Okay, so I just want to say that this trip with this water right now, like in this oasis, because like literally an oasis, the mine yesterday, the donkeys, the Salt Lake, the whole thing is like the whole package. If you were to put it in a package, it's just amazing. So keep getting out there, keep doing your thing.
You gotta wash your feet before going in. Oops. Pack it in, pack it out. Do not leave garbage anywhere. There's no trash service at the springs. See, they don't have trash here.
Okay, so really quick, we just came back from the oasis, and that little place is such a gem. It's so magical. And then also getting in was, you know, part of our duty as travelers to experience the full-on thing. But one thing I want to say is, like, if anyone out there decides to come into one of these places, please be super respectful about the area. There's people that maintain it. You know, there's a purpose behind it, you know, a cleanse, whatever you believe in, crystals and everything. It does contain a lot of that. There's minerals that, you know, when you get in, the water's really hot. So get in, ground yourself, correct everything, align your mind, and believe. That's really important. The other aspect of things too is, you know, be respectful for whoever else is gonna come in, you know. Follow the rules there, don't trash, you know, and just be kind to yourself, first of all, enjoy it, and then be kind to whoever else is gonna come in the future. And that's the whole purpose of traveling, is be kind to the areas that you're exploring, so other people can enjoy it, other fellows. Like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Much love. Should I put some suspenseful music?
So those are the girls and this is the boy?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some suspenseful ass music in.
I think there's some. Oh, donkey.